Good morning, Blue. Hello. Want some broccoli? It's your favorite. Here. No? Okay. Apples? Some apples? Nothing. You want to step up? No? What? Watching out the window? Want some of your food? Somebody needs a nap. That wasn't very nice. Okay. How about, you want a red one? Want a red one? No. Alright. I don't have any seeds for you. Sorry. You want seeds, huh? You can't have too many seeds. That's not good. You want seeds? No. You gotta eat your good food first. See? I guess you found a little one in there, didn't you? Hi. You're so moody. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Say bye, Blue.